Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you how metals react with a non-metal. So please watch the video till the end, okay, to understand how metals react with a non-metal. The answer is ionic bond. Generally metals react with a non-metal with the help of ionic bond. Okay, so you need to understand what is ionic bond. So it is a type of chemical bond which is formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal. We can write the definition. It is the type of chemical bond which is formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal, Let's take one example, children. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay, see, so when we talk about sodium, atomic number of sodium is 11, right? So electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. To become stable, sodium needs to lose one electrons to gain the octet rule, to attain the octet rule. So sodium loses one electron, become what? Na plus, sodium ion, 2, 8. Similarly, chlorine, atomic number of chlorine is 17, electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. To become stable, chlorine atom needs to gain one electron. So chlorine forms Cl minus ion, 2, 8, 8. Yes or no? So here we can clearly observe that sodium, which is having one valence electron, chlorine 2 to 4 to 6 and 7 valence electron. So sodium is transferring one electron to the chlorine atoms and sodium is forming Na plus ion, whereas chlorine is forming, here I am showing the valence electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 was the valence electron, right children? One electron is it gained from the sodium atom. So chlorine becomes Cl minus and sodium become Na plus. We know that unlike charges attract each other, right? Na? So here Na plus ion and Cl minus ion will combine, it will form NaCl. Is it clear? In this way, that NaCl compound is formed by the transfer of one electron from sodium atom to the chlorine atom. Is it clear? Okay. Next we discuss about the properties of ionic compound, which is very important. The questions may be asked. Properties of ionic compounds. So first property, generally children, ionic compounds are crystalline solid. Okay, they are crystalline solid. When you talk about their state, they are generally crystalline solid. Okay, like for example, you see common salt, that is only NaCl, right? So we will see once you observe the NaCl, so it is in the form of crystal and solid state, right now. So it is generally crystalline solid. Yes or no? Similarly, other properties we will talk about, they have high melting point and boiling point. The reason behind this high melting and boiling point is that because the atoms are held together by a strong force. That force is a ionic force or electrostatic force, or we can simply say, okay, as these are formed by the ionic bond, which is a very strong bond. That's why they are having high melting and boiling point. When we talk about their solubility, children, they are generally soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvent like petrol, kerosene, diesel. Okay, so solubility, next property when we talk about their solubility, so they are soluble in water, generally soluble in water but generally insoluble in organic solvent. Organic solvent which contains generally carbon, yes or no? Like petrol, kerosene, diesel, petrol, kerosene, etc. Next, conductivity property, children. When we talk about their conductivity, generally they are insulator in the solid state, but conduct electricity in the aqueous medium or molten state. So we can write they are insulator in solid state, but conduct electricity in molten or aqueous state. Okay, generally the questions are asked in the exam that why ionic compounds are having high melting and boiling point. The reason you have to say due to the strong ionic bond, due to a strong ionic bond. Okay. Why? Next question they may ask why they conduct electricity in the molten state or aqueous state. They conduct electricity in the molten state or aqueous state, children, because in the molten state and aqueous state they have free ions. They have free ions in the molten state and aqueous state due to free ions. Due to free ions. If they ask question why they do not conduct electricity in the solid state, in the solid state they do not conduct electricity due to absence of free ions, due to absence of free ions. I hope you understood these concepts. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.